Okay, folks, we're back for another exciting episode of improvisation on the moment. You know, cardboard or things that roll up properly, especially if it's cheap. You start in the center, and there's always a loose end over here. So you fold over one side, right? You go halfway, it doesn't really matter. And then you fold over the other side, like as if you're making a paper airplane or something. And then you start folding in the center. See this? And because these edges are folded, it keeps tight. See that? And then bam, look at that. That's like a 40-foot roll of paper, and that's going to be tight all the way down.